Welcome to Real Food, and today I've got a slightly unusual video and unusual topic. I've suddenly decided to make my own cocktail, and of all things, I've literally discovered it's a very old cocktail. It's called Brandy Alexander, but I couldn't get it anywhere in bars because they either didn't have fresh cream or something like that. So I decided to buy the ingredients myself because there's only 3 ingredients and it's very easy to make. So what you need brandy or cognac, you need rum, duck rum, cocoa rum is what is originally supposed to be there, but I'm going to use this one, cocoa canoe. I mean, it's not cocoa, it's not chocolate rum, but it's it's gonna give my cocktail a good flavor as well. So and the mixture basically is like I'm going to prepare one now. So it's very simple. It's 3 almost equal parts. So 1 part of brandy. Ta-da! So brandy is done. And then another part of rum. And for original recipe, you need to use cocoa. Cocoa is basically chocolate beans, but I'm using also tropical coconut rum, which is going to be a tropical variation of this Brandy Alexander. So here we are. So that's gone, and the last one that I'm going to use will be cream because it's going to stain my glass. I'm using single cream. The recipes don't say whether it should be single or double, but I reckon because it's a cocktail, double might be a bit too thick for this. So that's my final ingredient. It goes in. There's ice in there, and now I'm going to close it and give it a really good shake. So oh yeah. Okay, are you ready, guys? This container, I'm all hot, the container is cold, and the cocktail is coming out. Oh, it's smooth. It's looking gorgeous. I don't actually know what it will taste like, but it's looking very good. And they do recommend it to decorate it with nutmeg or something spicy at the top, but I don't have nutmeg, so you could decorate it with something else. Let me have a sip. Oh my god, this is amazing. You know what I can say? This is better than Bailey's. It's better than all the other creams I've tried so far. Well, this is probably because it's freshly made. And this rum that I'm using, it works really, really well here. So I highly recommend. This is amazing. So if you like Bailey's and those kind of creamy rum, creamy liqueurs, I think you're gonna like it. Okay, I hope you liked my new cocktail section in Real Food, and we'll chat again soon.